Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this video is going to be in LV inspired jeans. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. But if you want to see these basic jeans go from basic to bomb, just keep on watching. Everything that is needed to complete this DIY will be linked in the description box below. Also, don't forget to watch my stencil video. And this video will not be a voiceover. I want you guys to get the full gist of how I did this. It's pretty self-explanatory. All you have to do is watch the video and you will be able to do the same. So thank you guys in advance and see ya. As you guys just seen, I highly recommend that you use a adhesive to stick the stencil on. I didn't use it and I was not aware that that was a thing. I wanted to use tape, but I did the lazy way and I thought it would still come out good. I'm kind of disappointed of how it came out. It could have came out much better if I had the adhesive. So I highly recommend. As you can see, it just moved. So I highly recommend that you use an adhesive. But other than that, if you want that rustic look, you don't want it so perfect, then you can definitely just do it this way. But that is just a heads up and it will be linked below. So yeah, I am done. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to comment down below and let me know how you feel about this video. Thank you guys.
Choose your fighter. Choose your fighter. Lakey Inquires. Fight. Knockout. You win. Choose your fighter. Lakey Inquires. Fight.